Melkar, and today I am presenting a PPT presentation, and the topic is History of Indian Arts. In this presentation, we will discuss some important points which is related to this topic, and that are: what is art, Indian tradition of visual art, Indian tradition of performing arts, art, applied art, and professional opportunities. What is art? It is a natural human instinct to want to share his experience, wisdom, and also emotions. When that instinct results in a beautiful creation, it is acknowledged as art. The artist's power of imagination, sensibility, state of emotion, and his skill are the crucial factors at the root of artistic creation. Artistic creation are of two types: visual art and performing art. Indian tradition of visual arts. Visual art is also called Chitra in Sanskrit. The art of painting and sculpting fall under visual arts. Painting can be done on any surface such as rock, wall, canvas, papers, and even on earthen pots. The painting at Ajanta in Maharashtra is the best example for painting. There are various styles in painting such as folk style, classical style, miniature painting, in manuscript, and western style of painting. Sculpture is the art of carving idols, images, and other things in different mediums such as rock, clay, or metal. Like painting, there are various styles in sculpting such as folk and classical style. Iconography is the art of sculpting, which involves making of the images of god and goddess. Indian tradition of performing arts. Performing art is called Lalit or Agni Kala in Sanskrit. Folk art and classical art fall under this category. Folk art is performed by the collective participation of the people of a locality, and its existence from prehistoric times. It is in various forms such as folk song, instrumental music, folk dance, and folk theatre. The style is region-based. Koli dance, Tarapara dance, Kirtan, etc. are some of the examples of folk art. Folk art is the one who is learned and practiced with a set of consistent rules. There are generally two major forms of classical art: classical dance and classical music. In India, each state has its own form of classical dance, like Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu, Lavani of Maharashtra, Odissi of Odisha, Kathak and Mohiniyattam of Kerala. The book Natya Shastra, written by Bharat Muni, is believed to be the earliest one to form the basis of this form of dances. Indian classical music exists in two terms: the Hindustani and the Carnatic. Art, applied art, and professional opportunities. Art history is an independent branch of knowledge. Various opportunities of research are available in this field. Art historians can work Art market is an independent field. It calls for special expertise to assess the exact value of an art object or to ensure that it is a genuine. An expert with deep understanding of art history is required for this task. Applied art. The visual and performing arts are primarily looked upon as the means of entertainment for people. The artists perform primarily with this purpose. However, there is a scope to combine an artistic creation with utility value to make it economically viable. Thus, an artistic creation with a utilization purpose is called applied art. Professional opportunities. Heritage management and cultural tourism are recently developed field. In this field, students of art can find many of professional opportunities. Museums and archive management, library science and information technology, archaeological research, Indology are some important fields in this regard. Now, I will end my presentation. Thanks for watching.